Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area. Wear goggles, a dust mask, and gloves. Use a grout saw or oscillating tool to remove 1/2 to 2/3 of the existing grout. This creates a solid pocket for new material. Work along one joint at a time and avoid chipping tiles by keeping the tool steady. Once done, vacuum all dust, then wipe the tiles with a damp cloth and allow the joints to fully dry before mixing grout. Mix the grout to a peanut butter consistency according to the package instructions and let it slake for the specified time. This ensures full hydration and workability. Load the rubber float and hold it at a 45-degree angle to pack grout firmly into the joints, pressing to eliminate voids. Once joints are filled, flip the float to 90 degrees and scrape off excess across tile faces. Make sure to wait about 15 to 20 minutes until grout. After the initial set, do a final wash. Use a damp sponge and soft, circular passes to remove haze and shape the joint concavity for proper water shedding. Allow the grout to cure fully as the label directs, usually 24 to 72 hours. Then apply a penetrating sealer to porous grout to prevent stains and water damage. If you see cracks or gaps after curing, re-clean the joint down to sound edges and regrout. For tiny hairline shrinkage, wait 24 to 48 hours before re-evaluating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.